On this video, we are going to absolutely show you how to remove hair from the legs or anywhere on the body using the Helix hair removal system. It's real easy, folks. All you have to do is set up the tools like we have showed you in our prior videos, and then use the twist that is created by the Helix hair threading tools to remove the hair. And as you can see on this video, this person has quite a hairy leg, and in the area of the square we're going to go ahead and remove that hair. Now all you need to do is put the twist next to the hair on the leg, and then manipulate the tools to cause the twist to slide to the left and slide to the right. And when the twist is doing that, it'll grasp the hairs and pull the hairs out. If you look at the video, you will see the hair building up in the thread because this tool and the thread remove multiple hairs at once. This is super fast, super efficient, and quite frankly, I believe it's much better than waxing and much better than sugaring. Now, if you like waxing or sugaring, we would suggest that you continue to use those techniques, but also try the Helix hair threading tools. So folks, give it a shot. If you'd like to order the tool, the order address is at the description of the video. Have a great day, and thanks for watching. Bye.